your granite countertop looks stunning, smooth, shiny, almost invincible. But what if I told you that the very surface you prepare your meals on could be hiding bacteria, grease, and invisible stains just beneath the shine? What if that gleaming granite isn't just dirty? It's slowly getting damaged from inside out, and you don't even know it yet? Most people clean their countertops the wrong way, and even fewer know the one crucial step that actually protects them for years. Today, we're going beyond basic wiping. We're diving into the deep truth about granite countertops, how to clean, disinfect, and seal them the right way. If you've ever invested in a beautiful kitchen, like this video and subscribe, because protecting your granite is easier than you think, and more important than you realize. Why granite isn't as invincible as it looks. Let's start with a myth. Granite is tough, durable, long-lasting. True, but only if treated properly, because granite is porous, meaning it absorbs liquid. Every drop of oil, juice, wine, or vinegar that lands on your granite and isn't wiped properly starts sinking in. And over time, this leads to stains, bacterial growth, and a dull, worn-out surface. Think about it. This is where you chop vegetables, place groceries, and maybe even rest hot pans. If it isn't cleaned and sealed correctly, your beautiful granite becomes a silent sponge for dirt and germs. Step 1. Deep cleaning. More than just wiping, daily wiping isn't enough. To truly deep clean granite, start with a gentle pH-balanced cleaner. Avoid acidic ones like vinegar or lemon. They can etch the surface. Use a mix of warm water and mild dish soap. Dampen a microfiber cloth and wipe the surface slowly. Focus on corners, edges, and near the sink where gunk builds up. Then go a step further. Grab a soft bristle brush or toothbrush and scrub around fixtures, seams, and under any appliance edges. You'd be surprised what builds up there. Dry it completely. Because water sitting on granite too long, that's how water stains and mildew start forming. Step 2. Disinfecting safely. Most people get this wrong. You want to disinfect, especially if raw meat or sticky groceries have touched the surface. But here's the mistake most people make. They spray harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia. Sounds effective, right? But these cleaners can break down the granite seal and damage the finish over time. Instead, use 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with water in a spray bottle, 1-to-1 ratio. Spray it evenly, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then wipe it clean with a dry cloth. Alcohol kills bacteria without harming the stone. It's safe, powerful, and leaves no residue. Perfect for keeping your kitchen both safe and beautiful. Step 3. The water drop test. Is it time to seal? Now comes the part most people skip entirely: sealing. Think of sealant as your countertop's invisible shield. It fills the pores and prevents liquid from seeping in. But how do you know if you need to reseal? Do the water drop test. Just pour a few drops of water onto your granite. Wait 15 minutes. If the water beads up, you're good. If it starts to darken the stone or soak in, it's time to reseal. Simple, powerful, and essential. A countertop isn't just a kitchen feature. It's the silent witness to everyday life. Morning coffees, late-night snacks, family dinners, and even moments when you lean in for a deep breath after a long day. When that surface is clean, smooth, and protected, it gives you peace. It gives you pride. And it reflects something deeper: how you care about your home. Taking 30 minutes to deep clean and seal your granite once every few months isn't just maintenance. It's a ritual, a sign of respect for the space you live in. Conclusion: protect the shine, preserve the strength. Granite is beautiful, durable, and timeless, but only if you treat it with the attention it deserves. Cleaning it with the right materials, disinfecting it safely, testing it regularly, and sealing it when needed. These are small, simple steps. But together, they keep your countertop strong, smooth, and stunning for decades. Don't wait for stains or dullness to remind you. Take action now, and your kitchen will thank you later. If this helped you see your countertop in a new light, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more home care tips, and drop a comment. When was the last time you sealed your granite? Let's start a smarter, cleaner, more caring kitchen culture together.